Projects succeed when started and guided well. Initiation defines the problem, value, and authority. Integration keeps all parts moving in harmony. Together, they connect ideas to delivered results. This lecture explains the life cycle and project genesis. You will learn the project charter essentials. We also cover integration across key knowledge areas. Expect practical tips, clear steps, and a brief example. By the end, you can initiate confidently and coordinate effectively. Projects move through 5 repeatable phases. Each phase has distinct goals and outputs. Use them to reduce chaos and uncertainty. Initiation: define purpose, stakeholders, and feasibility. Authorize the project. Planning: build the roadmap for scope, schedule, cost, and risks. Execution: do the work and manage teams and suppliers. Monitoring and controlling: track performance, changes, and issues. Closing: accept deliverables, hand over, and learn. Initiation turns a promising idea into an approved project. You confirm the problem and define high-level outcomes. Stakeholders are identified and engaged early. Constraints and assumptions are captured and shared. Initial risks and dependencies are surfaced. Funding sources and sponsorship are explored. The project charter is drafted to grant authority. Decisions here shape all later work. Strong initiation saves time, cost, and stress. Projects start as ideas or problems. Some come from strategy and market needs. Others emerge from compliance or customer feedback. Genesis converts ideas into viable proposals. It relies on a business case and feasibility checks. The business case argues for value and alignment. Feasibility tests if the solution can work. Together, they justify investment and focus leadership. Poor genesis leads to waste and rework. Use the business case to secure approval and funding. Keep it concise and fact-based. Include these essentials: problem statement and desired outcomes, strategic alignment and expected benefits, cost estimates, funding options and timeline, risks, assumptions, and alternatives considered, metrics for success and measurement approach. Review with stakeholders and refine assumptions. End with a clear recommendation. Feasibility checks: reduce risk before heavy spending. Test viability across common dimensions. Technical: do we have the skills and technology? Economic: do benefits exceed costs and risks? Legal and regulatory: are there compliance barriers? Operational: can teams adopt and support it? Schedule: can we deliver in time? Document constraints and show evidence. Update as new information arrives. Your charter authorizes the project and names the project manager. It clarifies scope boundaries and high-level requirements. The charter links the business case to action. It grants authority to spend and to use resources. Sponsors sign it to show commitment. It aligns stakeholders around measurable goals. Without a charter, prioritization and control suffer. Keep it visible and update only with approval. In the charter, you need to capture the essentials succinctly. Use plain language that executives and teams understand. Purpose, objectives, and success criteria. High-level scope and major deliverables. Key milestones and budget range. Roles: sponsor, project manager, core team, stakeholders, and governance approach. High-level risks, dependencies, and assumptions. Approval requirements and change control approach. Link the charter to the business case and feasibility findings. Integration management connects plans, people, and decisions. It ensures trade-offs stay balanced. The core activities are plan development, execution oversight, and change control. Integrate across these knowledge areas: scope, schedule, and cost, quality and resources, communications and stakeholders, risk and procurement. Use an integrated project plan and a change control board. Keep a single source of truth. Align updates across documents, tools, and teams. Imagine a mobile app to reduce call center volume. The idea comes from customer complaints and data analysis. The business case promises cost savings and happier users. Feasibility confirms the stack, budget, and timeline. The charter names the sponsor and project manager. It sets objectives, scope, and a budget range. Integration aligns scope, UX, and security work. Changes flow through a board and shared plan. Monitoring tracks adoption quality and cost. Initiation fails when assumptions go untested. Avoid vague goals and missing stakeholders. Weak charters invite scope creep and conflicts. Integration fails when updates stay in silos. Avoid parallel plans that contradict. Use regular integration reviews and a change log. Keep decision rights clear and visible. Tie changes back to objectives and constraints. Communicate early, briefly, and often. Initiation converts ideas into an authorized project. Integration unifies work into one coordinated plan. Build a clear business case and test feasibility. Draft a concise charter and secure signatures. Establish integration routines and change control early. In the next lecture, we deepen planning. You will link scope, schedule, and cost. You will also build baselines that support control. Bring your draft charter to continue.